run, you run. We're Pentecost. If you want to hang off the chandelier, hang off of it, put it back if you break it. Amen. I don't know. Said all that to say this. It's not to shout, it's not to run, but if you want to do that, do it. But I'm so sick and tired of worrying about what denomination down the road thinks about our praise. I'm so sick and tired of worrying about what you think of my praise. You don't know what I've been through, so I don't care what you think of my praise. I don't know what you've been through, so just worship God. Anyhow, don't get out of order. You get out of order, I'll set you down. But if you don't, worship God. Amen. And let the fire of God burn. Your kids need to see the fire of God burning in your home. We're scared of the fire of God. We're scared of the refining and the sustaining aspect. Folks, we need the tongues of God to fall so that we can speak with authority one more time. I understand that there's a fine line between word of faith and actual faith. I understand that you and I cannot call $1 million down from heaven. If I could, I'd call everybody down $1 million today, and you could just pay your tithes off of it, and we'd buy a new building tomorrow. Somebody say amen. I understand that. What I'm talking about is to speak with authority over your family. Pray like they used to pray. How many remember your old saints, if you ever was raised in a family? I had an aunt, man, she had to go in the back room somewhere, and you'd hear her on the front porch. Because when she prayed, she began to pray with authority, and she would begin to pray in tongues, and she would begin to call things that be not as though they were. And she would say, God, help my unbelief. And I believe we need to get back to that one more time. We need to get back to praying. Folks, I'm telling you, I will not allow the enemy to have my kids. Somebody say amen. Oh, y'all not helping me today. Turn that live stream back off back there. Let me just get real for 2 minutes. God, it's 10:30. I got to go. You off, Kenny? Give me a thumbs up when it's off.